Solid IT practices must be built on a solid foundation. CDW's ITIL 4 Awareness and Foundation Training Workshops help you reap the benefits of better practices for managing change and innovation. Our instructors are ITIL certified and have years of hands-on IT practitioner experience, enabling them to effectively intertwine theory and real-life stories and scenarios. During this workshop, we'll use a high-level, results-oriented approach to the people, process, partners, and technology elements of the service, and provide practical guidance for applying ITIL to everyday IT situations. This 3-day course covers all material required for attendees to achieve their ITIL Foundation certification. They'll participate in activities that bring the concepts and processes to life in a fun, fast-paced way that reinforces memory and prepares them for success in the organization and on the exam. The value of IT service management in the form of ITIL best practices has been proven again and again for IT organizations and their businesses. Focused on aligning IT and your business goals, this practice provides an exponential return on investment that increases your customer and employee satisfaction. Maximize the return on your investment with a solid ITIL foundation. Reach out to your account manager today to learn more about CDW's ITIL 4 Awareness and Foundation Training Workshops.